Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by converting live photos to short clips so Instagram will accept them in a reel. Open Photos, pick your live photos, and tap Share, then Save as Video. This creates standard MOV files. Make sure each clip is similar length and orientation so the reel feels cohesive. Once done, move those video files to the Instagram upload folder on your phone or in Files. This speeds selection and avoids accidental portrait/landscape flips when you assemble the reel. You now assemble the reel inside Instagram. Open Reels, tap Upload, and add the converted live photo videos in order. Tap each clip to trim to 1/2 to 3 seconds so the pacing stays tight. Use speed controls to sync motion and align for clean cuts between frames. Add a single filter and consistent text style to maintain visual unity. Once edited, preview the reel and adjust timing until the motion feels natural. These middle adjustments give the reel professional continuity. To finish, pick a cover frame, write a clear caption with relevant hashtags, and choose whether to share to your feed. Make sure audio and captions are enabled for accessibility and set your audience before posting. Press Share and watch the reel publish. If it fails, first resave a problematic clip from Photos as a new video and retry. If that doesn't work, switch networks or restart the app. Most issues are file or network related and resolved by re-exporting or reconnecting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.